Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax in Houston. This is one of the most fun boats we sell right here. It's a 2024 130 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. It's got the great safety and flotation unsinkable legend that all Boston Whalers are. However, it's in a 13-foot package. Easily fits in a garage, fits behind your house if you got a boathouse on the water. It's a great boat for teaching the kids how to enjoy boating, but it's also a good boat rated for 4 adults that you can do just about everything with. You can add seats to it, you can add coolers to it, you can add just about anything to do whatever you want with regard to water sports, fishing, just about anything. Come see this boat and many of our other great options we have here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.